Good morning. It's Sunday, house hunting day. So I'm so sad because I think I mixed up some garbage bags while I was moving to this house and I lost 3 great winter jackets. Oh god, it's not the end of the world. It's material. I can always just buy a new one and replace it. I don't have many options for cold weather right now. My allergies are a little bit shoddy today. So I am not going to be taking him on a walk because my nose will just continuously run the whole time. Zyrtec. That's when Zyrtec kicks in. In the meantime, I'm going to make coffee. Maybe we'll try the peppermint syrup this morning, and then I'm going to just edit my vlog because I did not finish editing the vlog for day 1 of Vlogmas that I need to edit still. So this will be way after that already. Like, I don't know when this is going up, but you'll see that in one of the days of Vlogmas. I also totally forgot to mention yesterday's tomato soup. Tomato soup, I really need coffee. Yesterday's onion soup was so good. The French onion soup. It needed a little bit of salt. I forgot to salt it at the end, so it definitely needed some salt, but it was so good. We went on like a walk, like I told you. I came back, I showered, and then I was cold, and then the hot soup was just so nice. I have white chocolate powder. I should get the white chocolate syrup, but I have white chocolate powder. I'm literally almost out. I have like basically none left. We can use this, and then we have this peppermint syrup that I told you came in, that I got the small one of because I'm scared if I don't like it, if I don't use it too much. I don't need the big one. It's a teeny bit more pepperminty than I like, but that was a perfect amount. So we just need a very quick little, that's it. Okay. I need to clean up my area. Give me 1 moment and we'll meet you probably, where do I want to go? Probably on the couch. No, we'll go on the island because I think it'll be easier to edit on the island.
And honestly, at this point, if we don't find him,
You already know. Sorry. Doing a series where I'm looking for the Gertie jelly cat. And every time I post a video for that, it does significantly better than all my other videos. So fingers crossed this one also does really well. And I'm actually continuously looking for Gertie. I just haven't gone outside of Disney. There are stores all over Orlando that sell jelly cats, but I'm just gonna keep going to the Disney one for now because that's where I go all the time, and so it doesn't make sense for me to go elsewhere. I mean, for this series it makes sense for me to go, so I probably will eventually go. It's so crazy that I go out and I film and I come back, film like 3 videos in one go. Sometimes I only am able to do 1, but I'll do like 3 videos in one go. My Christmas tree, there we go. And I come home, and then every night or every morning I edit a video, and I do this and I post it, and every month I'm making a part-time salary off this. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. And hopefully eventually it gets to the point where I can do this full-time on YouTube and on TikTok and everywhere else, because that would be, I know everybody wants to do that now, but I've wanted to do it since I was 18. Anyway, okay, back to reality. All right, let's edit this cover photo really quick. Oh, and I'm so excited because tomorrow is the VIP Grinch tour. Now, I think I'm not leaving that video for Vlogmas. I'm posting that video after I come back tomorrow because I think that video needs to go out ASAP since it's the first day that they're offering the VIP tour. So this is the garland. And you guys will already have seen this video because this is for day 1 of Vlogmas, but I'm talking about how the garland is 18 feet and I needed exactly 18 feet. Rookie mistake. Put on top of it too. So let's go. I think the hardest part of today will be figuring out the clothes, so let's get everything else together. Just brush your hair a little bit and then put on makeup and stuff, and then we will head out. Oh, I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup on, nothing too crazy, but because I'm filming I'm gonna put a little bit on. So I think I'm just gonna use just like a small amount of this shedding thing, and then we'll call it a day. Oh, hold on, I need to You already know.
Furiously again.
All right, I got the makeup on. I didn't even do blush or anything else. Okay. Oh no, how do we do this? Okay, how does that look? Why am I out of breath right now? All right, how does that look? Does it look stupid? She look thick. Put the other one on. If this looks dumb, I will completely just change my outfit. Maybe if I roll it like tights, that might be easier. All right, hold on. Try a different method, but I still gotta pull it through this hole. I'm so out of breath. This is my fuzzy. Thor. For real right now, go down. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, how does this look? Does it look dumb? Do we look fashion? Okay. So, option A. She's cute. I'm definitely very warm, which is fun and comfy. But let me try one more jacket. Is a smaller jacket. I feel like the trench coat is more of a vibe. Well, I guess I don't know. Oh my god!
Is your skull okay, dude?
Are you okay, buddy? Are you
Hard
okay?
ass skull, dude.
Hey!
Don't shoot the light. It's electrified.
Dude, you're gonna be like Earl the Squirrel. This one is a lot more comfy and soft, and I think it just matches the vibe more. Let's go! I decided to put on a belt because my pants kept falling down and it was annoying. So I put on a little belt. I'm gonna put my rings on, they're downstairs, and then we will be good to go. We made it to the first house. I'm not including this if we plan on living here. I don't know what these are, but there's a ton of them in the backyard. Look at this yard is huge. Dude, this yard is crazy. Living room is nice, and the kitchen is pretty large, but I did open the dishwasher and a cockroach was running around in there, so really don't love that. The pantry though is huge. What's in here? The garage? Looks like a smaller garage. The laundry room is pretty big though. Now we're gonna go up the stairs. This is the master. It's pretty big.
You use toilet, the towel, and for some reason, in case you don't want to wipe your ass with paper towel, you choose menstrual towel.
There's an actual door on the thing. Excuse me, is this the closet?
Yeah, this is the.
Holy. Oh my god. It's huge. Okay, then we'll go here. These counters are very short. I don't know if it's just because I'm in heels,
It's a children's bathroom.
but these are very small.
Made by very small construction people.
Another toilet and shower, and then a door. Why? Why do they do that? This is one of the offices. Okay, this is already, feel like this is probably bigger than what you have now.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit bigger.
But there's no fan. Another room. This one is definitely the size of your current office. Small. And then there's another room that would be probably my office because the lighting is so good. Oh yeah, this is this built-in office. For what? This should have been the size of the closet. And then they should have made the closet another
They could
room.
have made the closet a little bit smaller than what it is now.
Like this, what are we gonna use this for?
I don't know.
upstairs. Oh wow, they actually have a closet here. We can hang coats and stuff, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I know the blinds are somewhat closed, but it's kind of dark in here a little bit. It's better with the lights. Although I do like the size of this kitchen. I do like the size of this kitchen. And then this is the living room. Where would the TV? So then the couch would go this way, and we would face there. I think.
Tossed vegetables that would fit in here.
Super cool. I'm so glad we'll be able to put stuff in
You
here.
can refrigerate a small palm tree.
The freezer has it, but the fridge doesn't. I feel like it's decent. I feel like it's bigger than the one we have now. Wow.
It's been decimated.
Oh god.
Rip this out of a jet engine?
That's terrible. Oh, washer and dryer.
Yeah.
That's pretty big.
And this godforsaken panel
Is it over
with
here?
the world's longest internet tube. Too.
Oh my god.
Why is
Oh, I don't know what that second one was for. It's 2-car garage. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Speeders. That looks like a Black Widow, bruh. A secret room. Is this the master? No way. This must just be an extra. This must be one of the rooms. This is the master.
Oh my. Tiny master.
It's a big bathroom. At least that one doesn't sound as bad. It wasn't all, you know?
Yeah. Okay.
Toilet
The toilet closet.
with in case you're super tall. Wait, so what? Oh, is this the one that has separate closets? Oh, just kidding. This is the bathroom closet, okay. Is it big?
Long.
Oh yeah, that's decent. That's for sure. It's decent. Yeah, this is a pretty small master, right?
Yes. Surprisingly small.
Interesting. Unless this isn't the master, but I would think the ensuite.
It's definitely the master.
Okay, now for the backyard.
What?
Bug.
Where?
I don't know, it like flew out at me. Okay, so you can see something else just fell on me. I don't love that you can see directly into your neighbor's yard, but do you think that the dogs would jump over the fence?
I have no idea.
Their building house is right in the back of the backyard, though. So maybe by the time we would move, it would be more further along, but I don't know. I like that we have an actual covered area where we can put chairs and stuff. We have to go upstairs, but I was like, oh, I was like, all right, I do like this place a lot, and it's cheaper than the last place we looked at, and I think it's nicer. And then I was like, wait, we haven't even gone upstairs yet. Oh, you'll love this. Oh, of course you find the metal beam. What? Just what you love to see, huh?
Yeah, gotta love it. They built this very well. Quality workmanship in Florida.
Always.
What is... I'm just gonna wash my hands like this.
No, but it's nice that there's 2 sinks here too.
Yeah, but these are the size of a 2-person bathroom.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm just curious why they decided to put 2 sinks.
Listen, I didn't make this house. I'm only living here. Ooh, I like the lighting in this room. And the closet is bigger than the closets in our houses. I knew you would say that from the slanted door. This one definitely doesn't get nearly as much light. That's for sure. It also faces another person's window, which
Tell me
is...
the neighbor's house won't give light into my house?
How was the closet? Is it larger or no? Oh, it's like same size as the ones we have now.
Yeah.
So this is definitely a smaller room, for sure.
That's how they built it. Oh, you look fine.
And this is the other one.
You're proud. Oh.
Also kind of small
Yeah.
and a bit dark. But the closet is a lot bigger, huh? Yeah, this one has a lot more space in the closet. Okay. So we saw a couple other houses today, but we didn't really see anything that we really loved that much. We're definitely going to keep house hunting, so stay tuned for more home vlog type things where we go and look at more houses. But we do have to make a decision really soon, so it's very stressful, but it's fine. It's fine. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little home vlog series the past 2 days, and we'll be back with theme park content, sprinkling in some home vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. I love y'all. Have a wonderful week and a magical month, and I'll see y'all in the next one.